Y'all tell me what kind of wood this is. It is definitely old.
That might be a type of cedar. I got different types.
This comes out of an old barn?
Yeah. I don't know where at.
We're cutting in some Woodmizer out of it, guys. We're going to see what we can get out of it. We're going to try to get one more out of it. They got some screws in there we're trying to miss.
Hey guys, if you're new to our channel, this is our rabbit colony that we have here. We have our wire buried a foot in the ground to where they can't dig out, and we let them burrow and naturally dig their own holes and have their babies. And yes, I do have a chicken in here. It's been in here ever since she was a little baby. We have the top of the colony covered with a shrimp net. So that way nothing can get in. No flying predators. And then the coons and stuff can't dig in because of the wire that we have buried. And this seems to work pretty well for us. Move, Troy. Did you? Move!
Look out, Charlie, here she goes.
Well, I was practicing for the derby. Come here, heifer. Come here.
Come here.
Quit acting like that.
Come here, Avery.
Let's go, Will. We're going down the road. You got my hat all crooked. Come on.
Can you hold it, Papa?
And see what we're going to have today.
Yeah. We have to do what?